Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve no audio output device is installed in Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer guys. Let's fix that issue guys. Go to search menu and type device manager. Open it. In here you need to search for sound, video and game controller. You just want to expand it. And if you having high definition audio device, just want to right click on it and click update driver and click here search automatically for drivers, and the best drivers for your device are already installed. Just want to click on search for updated drivers on Windows Update, whether Windows Update have drivers for you, and anything listed over here in Windows Update guys, you just need to download it. Anything like this, you just want to download and install it. And one more thing you just want to do it guys, right click the high definition audio again and click update drivers and click browse my computer for driver, and let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. And you just want to select high definition audio device over here and click next and click yes. Now Windows has successfully updated your drivers, and you just want to close out of here. Somebody else didn't have high definition audio device over here. I recommend you guys to download it from Google. Go to Google or any browser you using it. Open it. I show you guys how to download it. Search here REALTEK Realtek audio driver for Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. You just want to click on it. It opens up Intel Realtek high definition audio driver. You just want to click on it and scroll down a little bit. Here is option guys. This is available for Windows 10 and Windows 11 guys. You just want to click on here download, and the download starts. And after installing it, you just want to install the driver, and that's it for today's video. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.